Hey little snuggler, welcome to Snuggle Stories. Are you ready for tonight's adventure? Snuggle up, tuck in tight, and let's begin. Welcome, little dreamer. Tonight, we tiptoe into the peaceful zoo where gentle moonlight glimmers on quiet paths and soft leaves rustle in the cool evening breeze. All around, animal friends are finishing their day, ready to rest. Let's visit each one as they settle in for a cozy, sleepy night. Tara, the sleepy tiger, with her orange stripes and soft white paws, spent her day prowling through tall grass, playing hide and seek with butterflies, and basking in the warm sun. She stretched her strong legs and let out a big, friendly yawn as the sun began to set. Now, Tara, the sleepy tiger, curls up in her favorite shady spot, her eyes growing heavy as the stars twinkle above. She tucks her tail close and breathes in the cool night air, feeling safe and calm. Good night, Tara, the sleepy tiger. Good night. Benny, the gentle bear, with his round, fluffy belly and chocolate brown fur, spent the day splashing in the stream, catching shiny fish, and sharing berries with his friends. He lumbered through the grass, humming a happy tune as he enjoyed the sunshine and laughter all around. Now, Benny the gentle bear settles into his soft, leafy bed, the moon casting silver shadows on his cozy den. He sighs contentedly, eyes drifting closed, as the night wraps him in a gentle hug. Good night, Benny, the gentle bear. Good night. Ellie, the playful elephant, with her big floppy ears and sparkling eyes, spent her day splashing in the cool water, trumpeting joyfully, and helping her friends reach the juiciest leaves high in the trees. She loved making everyone smile with her silly dances and gentle trunk hugs. Now, Ellie, the playful elephant, stands quietly beneath the stars, her trunk curled gently around a soft branch. She sways softly, feeling the calm of the night settle in, and lets her eyes close peacefully. Good night, Ellie, the playful elephant. Good night. Milo, the curious monkey, with his golden fur and bright, clever eyes, spent the day swinging from branch to branch, playing tag with his friends and searching for the sweetest bananas. He giggled and chattered, always eager to explore every corner of his leafy home. Now, Milo, the curious monkey, cuddles into a cozy nest of leaves, his little hands tucked under his chin. The gentle breeze rocks him softly as he listens to the quiet sounds of the night. Good night, Milo, the curious monkey. Good night. Lila, the graceful giraffe, with her long neck and gentle brown spots, spent the day nibbling leaves from the tallest trees, watching over her friends, and sharing quiet moments with the birds who perched on her back. She moved slowly and kindly, always ready to help. Now, Lila, the graceful giraffe, stands beneath the twinkling stars, her head resting gently against a tree. She closes her eyes, feeling the cool night air and the soft hush of the zoo around her. Good night, Lila, the graceful giraffe. Good night. Pip the tiny penguin, with his shiny black feathers and bright orange beak, spent the day waddling across smooth rocks, sliding on his belly, and playing splashy games with his penguin pals. He loved to watch the shimmering water and chase after little silver fish. Now, Pip the tiny penguin snuggles close to his family, tucked safely in their cozy nest. The chilly night air feels just right as he closes his eyes, dreaming of snowy adventures and gentle waves. Good night, Pip the tiny penguin. Good night. Ruby, the wise red panda, with her fluffy striped tail and gentle eyes, spent the day climbing leafy branches, nibbling on bamboo shoots, and watching butterflies flutter by. She shared quiet stories with her friends and enjoyed the peaceful shade of her favorite tree. Hey there, parents. Thank you so much for letting your little ones wind down with snuggle stories. If you're enjoying these magical bedtime adventures, we'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring even more cozy stories to your family. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing Snuggle Stories family. Now, Ruby, the wise red panda, curls up in her leafy nook, her soft fur glowing in the moonlight. She lets out a tiny yawn, feeling safe and warm as the world grows quiet around her. Good night, Ruby, the wise red panda. Good night. Sammy, the sleepy sloth, with his soft gray fur and gentle smile, spent the day hanging upside down, munching on tasty leaves and moving slowly through the treetops. He watched the clouds drift by and enjoyed the gentle company of his forest friends. Now, Sammy, the sleepy sloth, clings softly to his favorite branch, his eyes fluttering closed as the night air grows cool and still. He breathes in deeply, feeling peaceful and loved. Good night, Sammy, the sleepy sloth. Good night. Luna, the little lion cub, with her golden fur and playful paws, spent the day tumbling in the grass, chasing butterflies, and cuddling close to her family. She roared her tiny roar and made everyone smile with her joyful leaps and gentle purrs. Now, Luna, the little lion cub, snuggles beside her mother, her eyes growing heavy as the stars shine above. She lets out a soft, sleepy sigh, feeling safe and warm in her cozy den. Good night, Luna, the little lion cub. Good night. All across the peaceful zoo, every animal is nestled in, the air filled with gentle whispers and soft moonlight. The world is quiet, calm, and safe. Close your eyes, little one, and drift into sweet dreams. Good night, little listener. Good night, sleepy world.